Let's go through all the subtools and click Group by Normals to get it set up for ZRemesher. Before applying the Boolean, we need to set up one more polygroup on the top and the bottom. Let's create a new folder and place the other subtools in it. Go to the gear from the folder and select Boolean with Dynamic Subdivision. Click on the new subtool and give it a quick look over to see if the polygroups are correct. Press Delete by Symmetry in the X and Z axis. Set the ZRemesher to keep groups with smooth groups to 0. Then select Remesh by ZRemesher from the gizmo and set the count to around 1000. Press Accept when done and clean up some of the issues with the ZModeler brush. Now we can mirror and weld in the X and Z axis. So one thing that needs to be fixed is creating a supporting edge loop around the polygroup border. Let's bridge these 2 points and then delete the edge loop. Mask out half the model and insert an edge loop, then delete the extra edges. Go to the top view and start setting up polygroups by alt-tagging faces. slide, and bridge points that help create the shape of the new polygroups. Another method to go about this is Dynamesh the model at a high resolution right after creating the Boolean mesh and make the polygroups through masking. The Dynamesh method might be slightly faster, but the more polygroups you add, the harder ZRemesher will have to think and will yield you undesirable results. If you are watching this when ZBrush 2021.5 or later is out, you will be able to slice through this topology with much greater ease and speed.